everybody, and thank you so much for joining my channel. So today we have a combination of a haul as well as maybe like an unboxing. Let me get right into it so I can explain. So this very first bundle here is a lot of things in one package. It took forever to get here. This has both things for myself as well as gifts. Christmas gifts for people that came super late. I was not expecting for it to be this late, but the good thing about it is most of the people who were supposed to receive what's in here, I haven't seen yet since Christmas. So to them, they're none the wiser that it's late, but one person did get impacted. So we'll have to open this together. Now, I thought this was coming from local. At least that's the way it appeared on the site and through all the shipping information. But then when I looked at the detail, like the shipping details, like when you expand it, it was coming from China, you all. So I was not prepared for that, and I didn't allow enough time for that. So it took like 3 weeks, I think, to get here. And I was expecting it for it to just be a few days. So at best, if it were even 2 weeks, it would have still been fine. This purchase is from a place called Bella Belts. And every year when I'm buying gifts for people, I'm always thinking about ways to like make their life easier. Like, what's the life hack? Not necessarily what's the hottest what's the hottest thing out, what's going to make the biggest splash, what's going to make their lives just a little bit more convenient. And this, to me, I thought would make my life convenient. So therefore, I wanted to spread the joy. I have never purchased from this brand before, so I'm not sure about the quality. So I took a really big chance by not testing it first before I decided it was okay to give it out as a gift. So I got it for me and a whole bunch of other people. I have an appreciation for how well they protected, especially for, coming from China. I'm sure they took that into account. Like, this is going a very long way, so we really need to package this really well. They did just that. These are I love the way that it came though. These are all belts, and what makes this unique, they're all leather belts. They come in various shades of like a cognac color, dark brown, caramel, black, and a bone, and I think like was that the cognac red? Yeah. So this is how it comes, and it comes with instructions too, because it's not just your regular belt. So you can size the belt. It comes really nicely packaged. I'm impressed with that already. It comes with instructions on how you need to shorten and size it if you need to ahead of time. But what makes this a cool belt, you all, is the fact that there are no holes, and that has been the bane of my existence for a really long time, is having to figure out holes. And what it does, it has these little clicks. So for as small or as long or whatever you need it to be, it has all of these little grooves that you can click into to stop the belt. And obviously you can change the hardware. This is actual leather. This is nice. I'm actually not mad at really nice shiny hardware. You could get silver or gold in all the different shades, like I mentioned before, of the belts that they had available. So you can kind of customize what you need. So now if this is too much belt for you, so again, any size will do. So you can get it for your more petite friends or bigger friends. It comes 1,500 millimeters or 59 inches. That's pretty big. That's a lot of space. Whoa, there's a lot of space. Hopefully this is mine that I just got some lip gloss on. That's not good. I don't like to give people stuff like that. All right, it's off. And then, like, if it's too much belt, of course, you just, chop down what you don't need. They gave you the instructions there to cut down all the excess. I watched them do this at the Coach store for me. And they recommended that you can use this as a keychain. Once you cut the excess off, you can use it as a wristlet. Put holes through and put like a little charm through. Use it as a wristlet, use it as a keychain, whatever have you. But the extra leather does not have to go to waste. But this is the belt, and I just love the idea of not having to punch holes in it. So I bought myself 2, and the rest of them are gifts for other people. I have look at this. Oh my goodness. I have a bunch of these. I have a bunch. I have a bunch. And I have to remember whose was whose. I wrote a list down who gets what, but I just have to remember who gets what. But I'm impressed with this so far. Obviously, over time, once I wear these, I'll tell you about the experience of how it wears. And then also, this is the little piece that keeps the belt, the excess, the flap down. Once you put your belt on, you got a little flap area, a little flap part. So anyway, I'm actually impressed with this, and I'm hoping that the people I give this to as gifts are also happy with receiving this as a gift. But I'm excited. All right, the next items are a haul, and I got these. I think I got these from the Gap. I feel like I got them from the Gap, and they were having a sale just like everybody else during the holidays. They got me with the, oh no, did you forget to get your Christmas gifts? Here's another discount for you. So I fell for the okie doke and I purchased a few things. And reason being, because there is a pair of jeans that I've been eyeballing at the Gap for literally this entire year. And the regular price on it is $70. And I'm just like, that's just way too much for Gap jeans. Even though I love Gap jeans, we've talked about this before during my OOTDs. I'm like, don't sleep on Gap jeans. They're really nice. That's what they're known for, is jeans. And so this pair of jeans is very unique, and I did size up. I'm not sure if I did the right thing by, did I not size up? I think I might not have sized up. I thought I did, y'all, because I was looking at the model, and I think that they gave me the wrong size. But I was looking at the model, and the way that these fit on that model, how thin she was, I was like, I need to size up. I thought I went up 2 sizes. I thought I got a size 26. But maybe I looked at the reviews last minute and decided against it. But yeah, this is a 00. I don't know. Oh no. Anyway. The whole reason why I got these was because of the patchwork. You all know me very well. I can't say no to patchwork, deconstruction, any of that stuff. And I've been looking at this for this whole entire year. Just didn't want to pay full price. And I think I ended up paying like $20-something for this once it was all said and done with, the discounts, the coupons that I had. And, you have, if you're a Gap card holder, you get an additional 5% off every time you make a purchase. So you add all those things up. I think this ended up being like $20-something. The original, I was wrong about the original price. The original price was $89.95, if you can see that. So again, like I said, I thought this was just way too much for jeans. And you all, I can't wait. I have to try these on to see if they fit, because I don't know. Here they are. What do you think? Would you? I don't know. Would you go up a size? This is the jeans. What does it do? I can't see the butt, but what does it do for the butt? Put in the comments down below. Is this the right fit? But also, I do have on workout pants underneath. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but I thought I went to a 26, you all. I really remember doing that. I have no idea how a 00 ended up in the bag. What the hell? Anyway, tell me in the comments down below, would you keep these? Is that too hippie? I don't know. Forget it. So put in the comments down below what you thought of those. So while I was at it, I'm like, I can't, just squander this opportunity to get, the free shipping and use all the coupons. What else do they have? And so I landed on something that I don't already have in my wardrobe. I wanted to do something really, really different. And for me, this is really, really different. I usually try to, in terms of bright colors, I usually try to keep it simple on the bottom. Even though those are patchwork, I do try to keep it simple on the bottom because I am curvy on the bottom. I don't like to try to bring too much attention there in the wrong way, meaning like balloon pants and what. Anyway, I know what I'm talking about, just like the wrong fit. And so I'm not sure about these. These I ended up sizing up one size. I did get a small in these. I felt like I sized up in all the pants, but these are almost like a neon pink, but not super hot pink. More bubblegum. Bubblegum is the color that this is giving in person. I'm not sure how it's turning up on camera here. I feel like it's giving neon on camera. Like, it's crazy how this is like playing with the colors on my screen here. The original price on this was $89.95 as well. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I feel like it was like $10, but I'll have to put on screen if I remember. These are just your simple baggy pair of jeans. I love that it has a drawstring, so I can just slouch these as much as I want and know that they won't fall off because I can tie them super tight here. It doesn't have any cargo pants pockets or anything, just regular pockets here in the front. These feel super soft, you all, to be honest. Like, these are denim, but they do, like, it feels worn, like I got them from the thrift store or something. Like, somebody has already worn them in for me, which is great, so they're not super stiff. But yeah, so I got these pink pants, and then the last thing I got, I do remember what it is, and I don't think this was not 100%, this was not intentional to go with this in any way. It's just, I've been using this term this past year a lot to benefit me and solely benefit me when it doesn't even make sense. But I got this t-shirt that has Girl Math University on there, and whenever I'm trying to like justify stuff, I will say girl math. Girl math says you do it this way, or girl math says you owe me that, or whatever. So I am a proud student of Girl Math University. I got this from the children's section, I believe. This is a size medium, and it is cropped. This can't be a children's. This has to be adult, because this is a medium and it's huge. So it says Girl Math, and then underneath here, if you could see really, really closely, it says it's basically free. And the premise of Girl Math is like a buy one, get one free situation, and then 10% off of that. It's like, man, it was pretty much free. But then a guy looks at it and was like, actually, no, it wasn't free. It cost you the cost of one whole 1.5 items, as opposed to, you know what I mean, whatever it is. But Girl Math says it's practically free. So anyway, I did a poor job of explaining that, but that was the piece. These are the pieces that I got from the Gap. And again, this was pink, but it wasn't intentional, but they kind of go, right, y'all? That's a little bit too much pink. The last things I got, I consider myself to be super lucky to have found them, because it is a set and is being sold by 2 different people on Poshmark. Now, if you have been watching me for a really long time, I recently got introduced to the brand, like during the pandemic, to the brand Pyer Moss. He's a Haitian fashion designer. He has his own brand line, but I discovered him through his collaboration with Reebok. And I picked up a few of those collaboration pieces some time ago. And then later again, picked up another piece from that collaboration. I think he did a few drops of I think he did a few drops with Reebok, and I got like a skirt that's just too cute from them. And then, so now I just bought something from his direct line from Poshmark, and these were new with tags. I absolutely adore this, and I'm probably gonna have to do a cutaway because I'm not sure that I'm gonna be able to do it justice, and I'm not gonna try it on. Well, shout out to these people, these poshers. They are serious about how they give you their stuff. But here is the thing. It is a Pyer Moss blue wide leg trouser. It was originally, I believe it was originally $350. But this posher allowed me to get it off her hands for $95. So these are, oh, nice. Okay. So again, new with tags. Doesn't have the it doesn't have the original price tag on here, but this is the tag, and I'm hoping it fits because I did get the extra small. This is really, it feels really small. Really cute. This color is more of like a periwinkle blue, and you all know we've talked about this before. Periwinkle is my very favorite color. There's a little bit of a grease stain here on the back. Hopefully I can take this to the cleaners and get it cleaned. But otherwise, I think that's probably like a simple mistake. Like, I've done things like that. I've taken stuff and I've accidentally hit it on my lip with my lip gloss, and I got a little smudge or something. But I think I can get that out at the cleaners. But this is absolutely lovely. It's very soft. I don't know what it's made of. Let's look at it together to see what materials. It says dry clean only, and it is 100% silk. This is lovely. So I could see why it would have been, you know, $350 originally, or whatever the original price was. I don't know, but I could see why. Then this blazer is meant to go with it. They're not the same exact tone or color, but they are meant to go together. So I got this one also in an extra small. And this is again new with tags. And let's see what this one is made of. This one is polyester, 53% polyester, 43% virgin wool, 4% elastane, and the interior is 100% silk. So I've noticed that, like, I just got another like higher end blazer not too long ago from the brand TWP, and the interior was 100% silk. So I think it has, I don't know what the benefit of having the interior be silk, maybe makes it breathable. I don't know. But anyway, but if to me, it feels more like a very light denim as I'm holding it. So the way that this closure is very nice. It has like a little hangy piece. Again, I can't do it justice holding it here. I'm gonna have to do a cutaway, but I'm super excited to be able to wear this. I'm probably gonna take both of these to the cleaners so I can get them properly pressed, and hopefully they can get that little grease stain out the back of the pants. But I'm super excited to have gotten my hands on both of these pieces. Again, expensive when you think about it. I got both of them for just under $100, but each piece, sorry, for just under $100. But each one is like one. I think the blazer is like $500. The pants are like $350. So if you think about it, $850. I mean, it's a deal. It's a deal, but you know, deal on another level, right? I recognize that $200 for the suit is still quite a bit, but you could easily, not without paying attention, you could easily spend $200 on a suit at like an Express. And for what? For what material? What? You know what I mean? Like you're not even paying attention. Like, oh, I need something for work. And then all of a sudden you've paid over $200 for a 100% polyester suit from Express and in a mall. And so I feel like when you compare it to what's available out there, and yes, some of this does contain some polyester, you can go to any high-end place and you're going to get some of that. You're going to get a lot of that. And there's been a lot of videos and articles and exposés about how luxury is no longer luxury. So I know what I'm dealing with, but nonetheless, I'm no more justification here. I'm just happy. I'm happy with this suit, and I can't wait to wear it because I'm gonna rock it with my Jordans. Yep. All right, you all. So that's the end of that haul. I do have a really big haul coming up next. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. Hit that like button. Thank you so much. I mean, it is huge, huge. I can't wait to show you. Tune in. Bye.
Rocky, she's just a fashion girl from Chicago. Rocky, just a fashion girl.